Good morning. This is Casey back with you, and today we're going to polish up some badly tarnished brass. And here are some examples of some brass that we have that is badly tarnished. We have approximately about 7,000 rounds of brass here, and this will be the end result, and we're going to show you how to do it. So let's get started. And first of all, what you'll want to do, we'll take a gallon of vinegar and pour it in a bucket. Okay. Next, we'll take 2 cups of salt, pour that in here like that, let that dissolve. And I'll tell you where I got this idea from. There's a channel called The Preacher, and I've been watching him clean badly tarnished bullet heads, and he was using 2 tablespoons of salt for 1 cup of vinegar, and his results were real good. We thought we would try it, and we doubled the recipe with 2 cups of vinegar and 4 tablespoons of salt. And we used this little Pyrex dish here to do it in. And this tray here is the result of 4 batches, which came out really, really nice and shiny. Let's get this salt dissolved here. While. Here's what we started off with, and here's what was left over after it evaporated in the sun after 2 days. So we're growing azure crystals here. I thought that was kind of fascinating, and I wanted to show you that. Okay, we're just almost there. Okay, our rinse water, we're going to take a little baking soda, put this in here to neutralize everything, whatever is the residual that's left on the brass after we get done rinsing it. That will neutralize the vinegar and the salt. Get ready here. All right, we're there. Next, we'll take this container here. I like to use glassware and stainless steel. We'll take this and we'll pour this in here like this. And it'll take almost a gallon. All right, we got 5.5 pounds of brass. That's about 620 rounds. It's unprimed. It's been sized. We'll pour this in here in this little basket. That's about all it will take. Put our lid on it here like this. Start our stopwatch. Pour it in here. See how much of a difference we have in the brass. Now we'll take pour this in here like that. Take a little dab. Not even a teaspoon of this washing wax. It's probably about like coral reef or blue coral that you buy. Just a pinch of Lemon Shine. Put our gasket back on. Whirl up for a half hour, maybe an hour. And the end result, you'll get this. And after you do that, take it, bag it up, and 1,000 brown bags. Probably trade it. Anyway, my thanks to the preacher for showing us how to do this. We just increased the volume of the mixture, 2 cups of salt to 1 gallon of vinegar, then rinse it off in a solution of baking soda to neutralize everything. Then run it through the tumbler, wet tumbler with the stainless steel pins, and a pinch of Lemon Shine and less than a teaspoon of the detergent. Whatever detergent you want to use. I like the kind with the wax in it because it gives it a good luster and it feels good. That will be it for today. I wanted to show you this, what works for me, and we'll see you on our next video. Bye-bye for now.